Start by opening your project. Drag and drop this into the composition icon. Next, you start by going and searching for key light. This is under the effects and presets. Drag this onto the media at the bottom. Once you've done that, drag the dropper tool onto the darkest part of the green. I've noticed when you do it on the lighter, it normally creates more shadows. Once I've done that, I change the view from screen matte to final result to screen matte. From here on, it's about changing the actual settings. Now, there's no setting that's going to be the exact like for like for every single video. The main ones that I do is clip black, clip white, clip rollback, and then screen spot black and white. The darkest spots on the black that you see in the middle of the screen, that's where it's all going to be transparent, i.e. the background has been removed. The white is the final result. You can see at the top of that image there is still some white aspects still there. So the key here is to play around with the settings to remove all of these. So yep, the spot white, I think I'm going to change that to a lot higher. So I might go around the 40 mark or something, and that potentially will get rid of that problem. Again, there's no sort of figure on here that will do. I do this also sometimes. I change it to final result to see exactly what is still left. It's a bit tedious, but in order to get that perfect crisp sort of green screen video, you need to follow this process. There we go. Right, so now what I normally do is just scroll through your actual video, because sometimes what happens is the green screen or certain images or certain parts of the image still remain, that you get little white bits. So it's good to just do a little skim scroll straight through all your video. Another tip you can do, sometimes if you find it hard, you can crop the screen. Bear in mind that everything in the background is going to be removed. It's only going to be the figure that you want. So you could cheat and get away with it. Right, once you're happy with what you have, press Ctrl and M on your keyboard. That's if you're PC. MacBook is Command and M. Copy the settings on here, QuickTime, and then the main part is the RGB plus alpha. That's what keeps the transparency. That's it. Click render and you're done. And here's the output that I use on mine. Hope you liked it.